I've seen people sign up for high level and quit the same week. I've also seen complete beginners go from blank dashboard to booked calls in a single weekend. The difference isn't talent, it's the system. So how hard is high level to learn? Really? Let me give you an honest answer. I've been using high level since October of 2019, over 6 years now, and I've onboarded hundreds of people to the platform. So let me tell you exactly what you're getting into, how long it actually takes, and the one mistake that makes it 10 times harder than it needs to be. Here's the truth. High level is not a simple tool. Because what you're doing here is replacing your entire tech stack with one dashboard. CRM, funnels, SMS, automations, calendars, websites, courses, reputation management, it's all in here. So if you're expecting to master it in an afternoon, reset that expectation. But here's what most people miss. Before high level, I was duct taping 8 different tools together with Zapier and praying that nothing would break, but it always did. I remember one launch in particular where my Zapier connection failed silently without me knowing. So leads were coming in from the ads, but the CRM never got them. I didn't find out for 3 days, and by then, those leads were cold and half of my ad spend was wasted. That doesn't happen when everything's in one system. If a lead comes in, it's already in your CRM. So the automation fires immediately. There's no handoff and no crossing your fingers that everything works out okay, because it just does. So I made the switch. One system instead of 8. And 6 years later, it still runs my entire business. Yes, there's a learning curve, but it's one learning curve instead of 8. And once you learn how workflows work, well, you now understand how automations work everywhere in the platform. Once you learn the funnel builder, you can build websites too, copying and pasting entirely new website builds in 5 to 10 minutes. It's just the same system repeating. Week 1 feels like drinking from a fire hose, but by week 3 or 4, things start clicking. And by month 2, you're gonna wonder how you ever ran your business without it. This hourglass represents how long it took me to build my first agency system that actually worked. Years. I don't want it to take you that long. But here's what I've learned. The software alone doesn't get results. Systems do. That's why when you start your free trial through my link, I'm giving you my entire system completely free. $10,000 plus worth of assets. The scripts, the templates, the frameworks behind every campaign and funnel that's actually worked, plus my actual snapshot. The same setup I use. One click and it's in your dashboard. You don't start from scratch, you start from 6 years of refinement. 30 days to try it, no risk, cancel anytime, keep the bonuses either way. Time's running, links below, everything you need to start is inside. Now, whether you use my system or build your own, here's what the first week actually looks like. Think of it like learning to drive a car. Day 1, you're overwhelmed by the pedals and the mirrors and the road signs, but by week 3, you're switching lanes without thinking too much. That's kind of how high level works. Day 1 to 2, orientation. You'll log in and immediately feel like there's just way too many buttons. That's normal. Don't try to learn everything, just click around and get familiar with where things are. For example, here on the left side, you're gonna see all of your different menu items. There's your dashboard, which is sort of your central overview of your entire agency. This one's empty, as it's just a sample account. You'll see conversations below that, which is where you're able to connect with all of your leads, whether they came through Facebook or different social media platforms, your website, AI agents, web chats, all kind of fancy things. Calendars, which is where we replace Calendly. There's contacts, which is where all of your leads and clients are housed. Opportunities below that, which is your pipeline, where we're able to track someone from first engagement or interaction with your business or your client's business and all the way through to becoming a lifelong loyal customer. Payments, which is clearly where the money is made. Then there's all kinds of fancy stuff down here. Marketing and automations, workflows, sites, but we'll get to that later. It's really, there's a lot here, but you only need to use a fraction of it to get started. On that note, let's talk about days 3 to 4, one workflow. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to build everything at once. Funnel, email sequence, SMS, automations, calendars, pipelines. So they get overwhelmed and they quit. Instead, pick just one workflow. Just one. For most people, that's the instant lead follow-up sequence. A lead comes in, they get an automatic text, then they get an email, they get a reminder to book an appointment, and that's pretty much it. So master that first. Now, if you sign up through my link, you'll get access to this and can just copy and paste it directly into your account with all the automations already built for you. Day 5 to 7, first funnel. Once your follow-up works, build one simple funnel. A landing page, a form connected to your workflow, or just pick a template that's already built. There's tons to choose from, and now you've got a working system. Lead comes in, system responds automatically, and you're set. That's your foundation. Everything else builds on top of it. Now, that's the path, but there's one mistake that makes all of this 10 times harder than it needs to be. That mistake is starting from a blank dashboard. I've watched people spend weeks trying to build funnels from scratch, writing email sequences from nothing, setting up automations and workflows without knowing what a good one actually looks like. That's the hard way. And it's not just time lost, it's lost leads and lost revenue and lost momentum that you'll never get back. The easier way is to start with something called a snapshot. High level lets you import entire systems, funnels, workflows, automations, emails with one click. It's like opening a pre-built agency in a box. Funnels, emails, automations, all mapped out. You just connect the dots. That's actually what I'm giving away through my link. My actual snapshot. The same system I use to run my business and the same one I've used to build 3 separate 7-figure agencies. You import it, tweak a few things, and you're operational. The learning curve gets less steep when you can see how things are supposed to work before you try to build your own. So, realistic timeline. Here's what to expect. Week 1 is overwhelm. Week 2 or 3, you get your first win. Month 1, you're comfortable. Month 2, you're building confidently. By months 4 to 6, you forget there was ever a learning curve in the first place. If you're coming from another platform, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, even WordPress, you'll pick it up faster because the concepts transfer. If you've never touched any of this before though, give yourself some grace. You're not just learning a tool, you're learning a new way of running a business. That said, not everyone learns at the same speed. And after onboarding hundreds of people, I've noticed a pattern. The people who learn high level fastest aren't the most technical. They're the ones who pick one thing, get it working, and resist the temptation to build everything all at once. I've seen complete beginners, people who have never built a funnel in their entire lives, get a working lead system up in a weekend. And I've seen tech-savvy people spend months tinkering and tweaking and never launch anything. The difference is that the beginners didn't know enough to overcomplicate it. They just followed a template and plugged in their info. Hit publish. The overthinkers, on the other hand, kept tweaking colors and rewriting emails and waiting until it was perfect. But spoiler alert, never was. If you're the type of person who can follow a recipe without substituting every single ingredient, you'll do fine. If you're the type who needs to understand how the oven works before you even boil water, just be aware of that tendency because it's going to slow you down. The best approach is imperfect action. Get something live, then improve it. So here's what I'd actually ask yourself. Is learning high level harder than learning Calendly and MailChimp and ClickFunnels and a CRM and Zapier and keeping them all connected? Well, no. No, it's not. Think about what that actually looks like day to day. You're logging into Calendly to check bookings, then MailChimp to see email stats, then your CRM to update a lead, then ClickFunnels to tweak a page, then Zapier to figure out why something broke, and it always breaks. 5 tabs, 5 logins, 5 dashboards that don't talk to each other. With high level, I check one dashboard. That's it. Everything's there. Is there a learning curve? Yes. Is it worth it? Well, after 6 years, 3 agencies, and more automations than I can count, yes. Not even close. The people who struggle aren't the ones who lack tech skills. They're the ones who try to learn everything at once, or who start from a blank canvas with no templates to guide them. The people who succeed pick one workflow, get it working, and build from there. Simple. So, how hard is high level to learn? Honest answer, harder than a single purpose tool, easier than the 10 different tools it replaces. If you're willing to spend a few weeks getting comfortable, not months, just weeks, you'll have a system that runs your entire business from one dashboard. And if you're serious about building to 10K a month, or you're already there and want to scale to 20K a month and beyond, this is the tool I use. One platform, simple systems, 6 years in, I'm still here. If you're ready to skip the blank canvas and see what a working system actually looks like, grab the free trial through my link down below. When you do, you'll get my complete one-person agency operating system, including my actual snapshot. One click and it's in your account. You don't start from scratch, you start from 6 years of refinement, and links in the description. And if you want to see how high level stacks up against everything else out there, I tested 10 CRMs and I deleted 9 of them, and here's why. I'll see you in there.